Despite the Pixel 4 being the new kid on the block, we have some good news for Pixel 3 and 3a owners, as there are a few new Pixel 4 features making their way down the ladder, so let's discuss what's coming. Thanks for watching 9to5 Google on YouTube. Be sure to thumbs up, hit subscribe, and then enable notifications with the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. Let's talk about a completely new addition that is coming soon to the Pixel 3, 3a and even the Pixel 4, which is the new short video feature. It is essentially a top shot but for video. When it comes to a future camera build, you'll be able to tap and hold the shutter button and your phone will save a mini video. The downside is that the resolution is set at 768 by 1024 pixels, better than nothing but still pretty poor. Think of it as a slightly longer motion photo, and we don't quite know when it's coming, but we do expect this to be in a future Google camera update very soon. Live captions are currently exclusive to the Pixel 4 and give videos and media real-time captions or subtitles without you actually needing an internet connection on your device. Google has confirmed that the powerful accessibility feature is set to come to the Pixel 3 and 3a later this year, which will of course be amazing for those that are deaf or hard of hearing. The feature also is able to work no matter the surrounding or device volume, so long as it's not silent, which is why it's such a neat new addition. We might have already had some hands-on time with a leaked build of the Google Recorder app, but the app is set to come to the Pixel 3, 3a and potentially all Android devices in future too. Like live captions, it doesn't actually require an internet connection, and it does provide accurate transcriptions with audio distinctions. You can already sideload a pre-release version of the APK, but we do expect a proper release sometime soon. You can check it out in action in our hands-on video, available in the link in the description. The revamped new Google Assistant is also set to come to the Pixel 3 and 3a at some point in the future. The new cut down and cleaner AI helper was shown off working without an internet connection way back at I/O 2019 on what looked like a modified Pixel 3, so the device is more than capable. We're sure we'll also see it on the 3 and 3a at some point in 2020, but we still don't have any official confirmation it might make the jump from Pixel 4 to other Pixel devices. The final new feature that is coming to the Pixel 3 and 3a from the Pixel 4 is a new long exposure astrophotography mode. You may already know that a leaked build of Google Camera app already has the feature on Pixel 3 handsets, but it's not currently present on the 3a. Google has officially confirmed that all three phones will be able to take proper astro photos in the coming months, likely via a full Google Camera app update. So with all that said, there are actually a couple of features not making it though. The new car crash detection feature, which was leaked months ago, is unlikely to come anytime soon, as this new feature does rely on the new Pixel 4 internal hardware. It may come further down the line though. At least for the time being, the dual exposure photography mode is firmly a Pixel 4 exclusive until further notice, as it does rely on the new Pixel Neural Core. Although at the Pixel 4 launch event, we were told that Google isn't ruling out bringing the feature to older devices, including the 3 and 3a further down the line. So there is everything coming from the Pixel 4 to the 3 and 3a. It's by no means the most extensive list, but it's all good stuff if you ask us. Now of course I want to ask if you're upgrading to the Pixel 4 or are you sticking with the Pixel 3, 3a or even an older Pixel? Let us know down there in the comments section below. But as always, this is Demi with 9to5 Google saying thanks again for watching, but until next time, I will speak to you later.